What's up, guys? Thanks again for another great auction. Today we're going to be cracking open the Panini Prestige 2011 Hobby Box. This is the serial number that I had mentioned on the auction, 324748238. So he lets you know everything's legit, and I'm just now cracking this Tuesday morning. It's like 10 o'clock a.m. right now. So I got a list of the people who won, all the teams, and I'll show you that right now. Excuse me if I pronounce your names wrong. I got Fishbig 36 winning 3 teams: Bills, Titans, and Bengals. Bo Jr. 68, Dolphins, Ravens, Chiefs, Redskins, Vikings, and the Panthers. B-Man's 44 got 7 teams. 4484 got 7 teams: Browns, Colts, Jags, Chargers, Giants, Packers, and Saints. Then we got Dan J's Sports Cards. Got the highest amount of teams with 8. Jets, Texans, Eagles, Bears, Bucks, Cardinals, 49ers, and Falcons. And because you got the highest amount of teams, you got the Robert Griffin and Trent Richardson rookie card. I'll put that in the mail for you. And also, side note, anybody who wins 5 teams or more gets free shipping. So Bo Jr., B-Mans, Dead Jays, thanks a lot. Or Dan Jays, thanks a lot, guys, for your bids. Free shipping for y'all. And anybody else who gets 5 teams or more in the auctions. Then we got Finkster 1, Steelers and Seahawks, Z Palfi, Rams and Raiders, JW Lions, and Love Me Legolas, Cowboys and Broncos. So without further ado, let's get this box break going. Mouse, get out of the way, because we're going to get some good cards today. Good luck, everybody. If you have any questions in the future, let me know. The next couple weeks, I'm going to post some team auctions up, so be on the lookout for your favorite team. I'm going to put some good cards, stars only. I don't do commons and stuff like that. So here we go. Checklist. And then to kick off the first of the month, I'm going to put up a box of 2012 Press Pass so we can get some new rookies and stuff out. First pack. Good luck, everybody. Dallas Clark, Cedric Benson, Jamal Charles. Got the filler card. Here's our league leaders, Mike Wallace, Andre Johnson. In this case, the way we do it is if it's a double card, player on the left or player on the top or player on the top left, that's the team who gets the card. So in this case, this would go to the Steelers. We got a rookie here from the Packers, DJ Williams, Wes Welker, Josh Morgan, Pierre Thomas. Also, whatever jersey the player is wearing is who the team goes to. Benjamin Watson, Steve Breston, Champ Bailey, Adrian Peterson jersey. Looks like it's got a little piece of a letter, a little piece of the T or something in there. It's pretty cool. Multicolored patch. Congratulations to the Vikings. This one is not numbered, but still, nice looking card. Our first hit, Adrian Peterson jersey card. It's always good when it's a good player like that. Leonard Hankerson, Courtney Smith, Jacoby Ford, Kenny Britt, Mark Sanchez. Roy Williams, Haloti Nada, Charles Woodson. Got the filler over here. Prestigious Pros, Randy Moss on the Titans. J.J. Watt, rookie card, Lewis Murphy, Bo Scaife, Darrell Revis. Jimmy Clausen, Dwight Freeney, Jermaine Gresham. We got the filler. Here's a rookie card, Kendall Hunter. Rookie card, Stanley Havili, James Laurinaitis, Devon Best, Heath Miller. This one feels a little thick. I don't know if it's because it's a filler card, but might have a hit here. Just a heads up. Then again, I could just be misleading y'all. D'Angelo Williams, Austin Collie, Carson Palmer. Yep, sorry about that. Still got more on the way. Derek Locke rookie card. Phil Taylor rookie card, Frank Gore, Chris Cooley, Darius Hayward Bay. Des Bryant, Ryan Grant, Devin Hester, the blank. There's an extra point, Santana Moss. And this one's numbered 153 of 250. Robert Quinn rookie card, Michael Huff, Nate Washington, Santonio Holmes. Dwayne Bowe, Miles Austin, Dion Lewis autograph, rookie card here. Draft picks rights is what it says on there. Let's see. This is numbered 136 of 599. So congratulations for the Eagles. We got our second hit here. Dion Lewis autograph rookie card. We got a Stars of the NFL Felix Jones, Alden Smith rookie card, Mike Williams, Braylon Edwards, Donnie Avery. David Garrard, Josh Cribbs, Curtis Lofton, Filler, Beanie Wells, Prestigious Pros, Austin Pettis rookie card, Josh Freeman, Kevin Bouse, Mike Williams. Next we got Jay Cutler, Mike Sims Walker, TJ Hushmanzada, Stars of the NFL jersey, Antonio Gates. Got our third hit here. This one's numbered, what did that say, 153 of 250. Pretty low number. Nice little hit. Got our Patrick Peterson rookie card. Cameron Jordan rookie card, Ryan Terrain, Jacoby Ford, and Kenny Britt. Jordy Nelson, Brian Urlacher, Reggie Wayne, Filler, Ryan Grant, extra points. This one is numbered 23 of 50. That's a nice low number card right there. Ryan Grant, Mark Herzlich rookie card, Mark Sanchez, Cadillac Williams, Hakeem Nicks. Brandon Pettigrew, Lee Evans, Brian Cushing, blank. Oops, sorry about that. Come on, buddy. There we go. Leonard Hankerson rookie card. Justin Houston, Anthony Fasano, Jeremy Maclin, and Brett Selleck. So you got Joseph Adai, T.O., Larry Fitzgerald, Filler. We got extra points, Martez Wilson rookie card. 53 of 250. Here's Andy Dalton rookie card. One of the top rookies right there. Brandon Jacobs, LaDainian, and Steven Jackson. Hopefully we get some more top rookies in here. We've got a couple more packs to go. More than a couple, I should say. Here's Colt McCoy, Tim Hightower, Tim Tebow, Brian Urlacher, Stars of the NFL, Corey Leggett, don't know how to say his last name, Matt Hasselbeck, Tony Milwaukee, Percy Harvin. There's Fred Jackson, Arian Foster, Greg Olson, Filler. We got Jason Campbell and Darren McFadden connections insert card. Very nice for the Raiders. DeAndre Brown rookie card, Rashard Mendenhall, Deion Branch, and Ryan Matthews. Come on, buddy. There we go. Next we got Eddie Royal, Ray Rice. Here is a Daniel Thomas extra points rookie card. See how he does next year. 21/25, very low number card, very nice. Daniel Thomas for the Dolphins. We got a prestigious pros, Kenny Britt. Looks like you got 2 Titans receivers for the prestigious pros. Daniel Thomas wants to come out again. Marcus Colston, Alex Smith, and Ahmad Bradshaw. Noshawn Moreno, Todd Heap, Chad Johnson, Clinton Portis, prestigious pros. Julio Jones rookie card, nice. Adrian Peterson, James Harrison, Brandon Merriweather. Matt Castle, Tony Romo, Joe Flacco, Cecil Shorts III, draft picks. This one's actually numbered 457 and 999. Cameron Hayward for the Steelers, Mike Tolbert, Drew Brees, and Michael Crabtree. Next we got Clay Matthews, John Beeson, Jacob Tamme. There's a rookie card, Phil Taylor. Rookie card, Marcel Darius, another good one. Reggie Bush, Vernon Davis, Chris Johnson. Greg Jennings, Steve Smith, Peyton Manning, Christian Ponder, draft picks rookie card. Another good one from the Vikings, 665 of 999. Then we got Owen Marichek. We've got Justin Forsett, Eli, and Marshawn Lynch. Pulled some good rookies so far. Hopefully we can still get some good guys. Ingram, Newton, Ben Watson, Steve Breston, Champ Bailey, C.J. Spiller. Got the blank. Got Phil Taylor, Stephen Pea, Barrett Rudd, Jared Allen, Mike Wallace. Jordan Shipley, Early Doucette, Jabbar Gaffney. I got a Roddy White extra points. This is 14 of 100. Very nice for the Falcons. Colin McCarthy, Dustin Keller, Sam Bradford, and Ronnie Brown. Let's see what we got here. Andre Johnson, Thomas Jones, Brandon Lloyd. Got the blank. There he is, Cam Newton rookie card. Glad the Panthers got their rookie. Drake Nevis rookie, Danny Woodhead, Phillip Rivers, Lance Moore. Always glad when Cam Newton pops out. See how he does this year. Ray Rice, Greg Jennings, Steve Smith. Oh wow. Got a NFL Draft Class Signatures card number 35. Expires November of this year, so we'll take a look at this at the end of the auction. See who's the lucky winner. Stars of the NFL, Vernon Davis, Mike LaShore rookie card, Hines Ward, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, and Malcolm Floyd. One pack to go. Just to show you guys, not hiding any packs in the box. I'll try to do the fairest box breaks. Let me know if you have any suggestions to make it any better. Ray Lewis, Donald Driver, Jonathan Stewart. Hey, here's a hit right here. I thought there'd only be 4. DeMarcus Ware, Prestigious Pros from the Cowboys. This one's actually numbered 98 of 100. Nice low number there. LaShawn McCoy, Rob Hausler, Patrick Willis, Robert Meekum, John Carlson, and now it's time to see who won this redemption card. So let's see. Give me 1 minute. We got NFL Draft Class signatures. NFL Draft Class, there we go. Number 35 is Ryan Williams. Number 35. And just to show you guys. Where is it? There it is. Connections. NFL Draft Class. Number 35 is Ryan Williams. So congratulations to Ryan Williams. If I'm thinking correct, it's the Cardinals, but I'll double check. Do a little Wikipedia search. And that'll conclude the auction. Guys, let me know what teams you want me to put up. I'll be more than happy to listen to your suggestions. I got a little bit of everybody, so just let me know. I appreciate it again, guys, and hopefully I'll see y'all again soon.